Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show request content and invalid agreement problem. Let's see how to solve. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on apps, tap on apps, scroll down, click on YouTube, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Now go to Play Store and search YouTube app. Update YouTube app if showing Play Store. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.